When working with drawings, views of configured assemblies, like configured parts, can be placed onto sheets. A drawing requires two different views and bill of materials of this case to be displayed. Each view and bill of materials represent a different configuration. The case has an existing blank drawing. Select Insert View and then Insert. Select the configured assembly by expanding the pull-down menu next to the assembly and selecting Parameters, then clicking Generate. Select the assembly and place the view. Repeat the previous steps for the second view, this one with a solid foam insert. Bill of materials based on the inserted configurations are placed onto the drawing. Select the BOM table feature and create the configuration by selecting Parameters and clicking Generate. Select the assembly and place the bill of materials. Repeat the previous steps for the second view. The drawing now displays two views and two bill of materials. One references the solid insert configuration, and the other references the laptop and mouse insert configuration. To change the reference configuration in a view, right-click on the view and select Change Configuration. Select New Parameters in the dialog and click Generate. Accept the dialog to update the view with the new configuration. To change the configuration referenced in a bill of materials, right-click on the bill of materials and select Change Configuration. Select New Parameters in the dialog box and click Generate. Accept the dialog to update the bill of materials to the new configuration.